When it comes to government contracting, there are a few different business models, right? And in this video, I'm going to explain the 3 different business models that you can use to win government contracts. If you're new to the channel, my name is Desmond Aja, founder of USA Contract Solutions, where we specialize in helping businesses win government contracts. If you want me and my team to work one-on-one with you to help you win government contracts, I have some links in the description below. Click the link, apply, then schedule a call with my team, and we're going to help you win some government contracts. So now, let's talk about the 3 types of different business models, right, when it comes to government contracting. The first one is to be a contractor, right? As a contractor, you're providing a service directly to the government, okay? That's it. So let's say the government, needs landscaping services and you provide landscaping services. You provide that directly to the government, you're a contractor. The same thing goes with IT, construction, facility management, whatever product that you sell, right? Whatever service that you provide in your business, right? If you provide that directly to the government, you're a contractor. That's the basic one ever, right? So contractors is a prime contractor that wins the contract, and there's a subcontractor that is hired by the prime, right? So if you're a contractor and you win the government contract, you are a prime contractor that won the contract. You can now hire small businesses as your subcontractors, but nonetheless, if you win a contract directly with the government, you are a contractor, okay? That's the first thing, especially if you're providing a service. The second thing is to be a reseller, right? As a reseller, you're reselling supplies to the government, okay? That's it. If the government needs, office supplies, janitorial equipment, ammunition, guns, food, like whatever product that they need, right? So resellers are products, right? They sell products, okay? So whatever product that the government needs and you resell that to the government, you are a reseller. That is also considered a contractor because your company is winning the contract and delivering the services to the government. The only difference is you're not manufacturing those products. You see what I'm saying? Now, if you are manufacturing those products, you have to do 50% of the actual manufacturing, right? So if you're simply reselling supplies to the government, you don't need to do 50%. You can simply buy it from Amazon or whatever the case may be, right? You buy it from here and you sell it to the government for a profit. You're a reseller. Now, if you're the manufacturer, you're manufacturing these products, then you can't just simply buy from somebody else and resell it, right? You have to actually do 50% of the actual manufacturing and then sell that to the government. You see what I'm saying? And the third thing is to be a consultant, right? As a consultant, you're gonna help other businesses win government contracts, right? Because as a consultant, your value proposition is your knowledge, right? It's what you know. You're gonna use your knowledge to provide this service to this company and help this company sell their services to the government, right? If you're a reseller, your value proposition is your ability to source products for the government at a cost-effective rate, right? So you're gonna shop around and get the best quotes for these products and resell those to the government for a profit, right? You're a reseller. If you're a contractor, your value proposition is your ability to deliver a service to the government that meets your needs, right? If your company is a service provider, you meet the needs of the government, right? If you can, go ahead and bid that contract, win the contract, and then obviously grow your business, winning more contracts, right? So those are the 3 business models right there. Being a contractor, being a consultant, and 3, being a reseller. See, my company, we do all 3, right? We provide services directly to the government. We also resell furniture to the government, right? And we also help businesses just like yourself win government contracts. That's why if you want us to help you win government contracts, right, we can work one-on-one together. In the description below, there should be a link for you to actually apply and then schedule a call, right? Apply and schedule a call, and let's help you with some government contracts. The government is the biggest buyer, the biggest spender, and they literally buy everything. If you have a business, you can sell to the government. You just have to decide how you want to sell to the government. Whichever one you decide to do, just make sure that you're leading with your value proposition, right? So as a contractor, your value proposition is your ability to deliver X, Y, and Z services to the government because you are competent, you have experience doing this already, right? You have the past performance, you have the resources, you have the financial capabilities to do X, Y, and Z, right? Then I will go pursue contract myself, right? As a contractor, if you're gonna be consulting, you need to understand everything about government contracting because this company is gonna trust you to guide them through these government waters. So you must know how government contracting works, right? So that's the first thing. If you want to be a consultant, we can teach you everything about winning government contracts. If you want to be a contractor, we can also help you, win your own government contracts, right? If you want to be a reseller, you have to now find your value proposition. What do you want to sell, right? And don't tell me you want to sell everything to the government. They buy everything, right? So the question is, what do you want to sell specifically, right? pick an industry and stay there till you make millions of dollars, and then start adding different products, right? Because it's gonna be hard to just chase any kind of government contract, because every time you find an opportunity, you have to go now, call different manufacturers, get different quotes, right, and then add your profit on top, and then you probably even still lose the contract. But what if you pick your industry, say, you know what, I'm gonna sell furniture. I'm gonna find all the manufacturers in the United States that provide furniture. I'm gonna become good friends with them. I'm gonna get quotes from all of them. Now I can bid on every single contract in the furniture space, right, in the United States, and know that I have a vendor that can always deliver. You see what I'm saying? I'd rather you pick one product to sell and sell it a million times than try to sell a million products one time. You see what I'm saying? It was gonna take a lot more work to sell a million different products to one agency at a time. You see what I'm saying? So pick one product and let's go sell it a million times across the entire freaking government, right? That's if you want to be a reseller. If you want to be a consultant, that's fine. Also pick the industry that you want to enter, right? That way you're not trying to learn new industries, right? So pick the industry. If it's professional services or staffing services, that's fine. Go find a staffing company and start helping them, win different contracts to staff individuals. You see what I'm saying? And if you want to be a contractor, figure out what you want to sell, what's your offer, what's your value proposition, right? Really figure that out, and then find the agencies that buy those services and then start selling to them, right? Again, we can help you do all of this. If you want us to help you, there's a link in the description below. Click the link below, apply, schedule a call, and let's help you with some government contracts. You're one contract away, and I hope you get some value from this. Peace.